So it's restaurant review time, and today what we thought we'd try is some Mediterranean food. So we are here at the Med. The Med is known for Greek, Turkish, Mediterranean, and American food. I had to look back at the sign. So on that note, let's go inside and eat.
Miami equals black mask, black gloves with a little bit of rope to tie. I flipped it, black suits, white shirts, black glasses with a matching tie, like Agent J or Agent K, and I wish the whole world would. Okay, I'm trying to make $1 billion out of 50.
What do you recommend as appetizers?
I personally enjoy the Hispanic okra. It's our pillow pastry with spinach and feta cheese in the middle.
Okay.
Then if you just want to dip, I'd say either a hummus or baba ganoush is pretty popular.
Let's do the one you like,
The
please.
Hispanic okra?
Yeah. Awesome, thank you.
Not a problem. I'll get that going. Give you a few more minutes if you need it.
Great, okay, thanks so much. Appreciate it. What's your favorite thing? What do you recommend here?
So I personally like to recommend
Okay.
there's a South box.
Okay.
Or basmati white rice.
Great, okay, perfect. Let's do the number 2. The one that you recommend is number 2. That sounds delicious. And then we'll also do a chicken polenta, please.
And then both your entrees come with a side salad. What dressings would you like? We have Greek, balsamic, blue cheese, Caesar, ranch,
Greek, please. Yeah.
on both of them, or?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Alright, I'll get that started and I'll be done.
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Big loss, I bet it all. Ain't fought blind against the world, Ray Charles. Y'all just halfway thoughts, not worth the back of my mind. But to understand the future, we have to go back in time.
Alright, so we just got done eating over at the Med, and I have to say that I really enjoyed the restaurant. I'd actually been there once before a very, very long time ago. Ended up having like a beef dish. Today we had a chicken dish based off the recommendation of the waiter, and I thoroughly enjoyed it and will definitely be going back to the Med again. The Med is known for, I guess, Greek, Turkey, Mediterranean, American, but the dish that I had was actually considered a Persian dish, so it was absolutely delicious. My wife had a chicken polenta, tasted that, I tasted her dish, and that was super delicious as well. So if you're craving some Mediterranean food, definitely check out the Med. I will definitely be returning there myself, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching.